Welcome back. It's time for an exciting interview question. And this question comes straight from Google. Given an array, let's say that looks like this, tell me the first recurring character. What does that mean? Well, if we look at this array over here, I want a function that I can enter this array, this input, is going to look through all the numbers and tell me which one gets repeated first. So we look at 2, 5, 1, and 2, and we say, 2 has already been seen. 2 is the recurring number. If we look at another example, we see 2, 1, 1, and we stop here because 1 we've already seen before. We can say the first recurring character is 1. If we get an array that has all unique items, we just return undefined. So, how would you go about solving this? Give it a go. See what you come up with. If you need help, perhaps go on Discord and chat with some of the community members, and I'll see you in the solution video.